Okay, everyone. So in this session, I just want to show you how we can try to go and make the camera follow our player. So I just deleted the camera node that is a child node of the main scene, but instead I want that to be inside of the player node that we have here. And then I'm just going to set the zoom in to 1.5. So you'll see I just increased the value of the XY value so that we can zoom this in. And we can have our position smoothing enabled. And this is a very easy way for us to go and make the camera follow. So let's try to play this. And now you would see that the camera is now following the player thanks to the that feature of position smoothing of Godot. And we can move now in our scene a lot easier. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you and see you in our next video.